Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing XPR Network. Has the switch been flipped for XPR? It's going to be an interesting video, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And, folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. So, if you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And folks, you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. Anyways, guys, let us now look at what's new with XPR Network. What are the community sentiments? What new information do we have? So, to start that, before we begin that, let us look at the price and chart of XPR at the time of the recording. So, guys, XPR is priced at around $0.0022224. The price is up 0.24% for the day. Check this out. Nothing much on the day, but let me show you the monthly chart, guys. You will like this certainly. Check this out. The chart, guys. It is up 127.28% for the month, guys. You remember we have been talking about XPR network since a very, very long time through a lot of negative comments and everything. I mean, yeah, some of them justified as to the supply increase, the negativity. We cover both sides of the spectrum, basically. So yeah, but I told you guys that it certainly has potential to rise, especially from this point. I told you guys that. You won't the risk isn't there much because the price has basically rock bottomed. I mean, even if it doesn't go much higher, but still I told you guys that the price had hit rock bottom around these areas, but obviously it could have even come down, tested this support, and broken this. Anything can happen in crypto, so not financial advice. But guys, it did the opposite. Check this out. It flew past this resistance line over here, 0.001532, and it is on its way up. Check this out, guys. This is phenomenal. Really clean move, guys. I really like it. And now I think it will go on and test the in my it's 0.004 mark in my opinion. If it breaks this resistance line over here, 0.003305, yeah, okay, so the 3 mark. If it breaks it, this resistance will turn out into a new support base, guys, in my opinion, but anything can happen. So check this out. People are optimistic about XPR. Super pump, go to 5 cents. I'm bullish on XPR. Still, there are people who are calling it scam, scam, scam. I get it. A lot of people are still on that boat, on that train. A chain coming soon, consensus upgrade. So, yeah, it is making moves, guys. Let me show you the sentiments. And check this out, guys. The market cap. The market cap has risen significantly in the last month. A while back, it was only a month ago, it was, I think, 20 million or so dollars. And now check it out. And guys, only a few months ago, this is 21st October 2023, guys, it was $13 million, guys, and suddenly it is $55 million. I mean, the crypto is acts in an, I mean, it isn't in a flash. The move happens in a flash in crypto. So you're either a part of it or the train leaves. It has happened to me as well in a lot of projects that I basically didn't make the move quickly, and the train left. Anyways, guys, the market sentiments and what the people are saying, let me show you guys over here. So check this out, guys. Keep fading us, Anon. Switch has been flipped. So do you think that the switch has been flipped for XPR network? Hit the comment box below and let the community know. And do you guys think, where do you guys think this move is going to be heading in the peak bull run? Slow and steady we go. The XPR network is going to change the game. Soon you will be paying your taxes with grapes. So that is Proton. Proton is the chosen one. Okay, what else do we have? Proton is the chosen one. The XPR ecosystem is ready for another pump. A long-awaited recovery from a wrist injury and Proton feet are now back in action. It certainly is, guys. The ecosystem is flying at the moment. Proton is the reason they got into science. Okay, so they've now the community is extremely hyped up, guys. I've seen it. The golden ticket, Proton is the chosen one. Check this out. Money is only a tool. It will take you wherever you wish, but it will not replace you as the driver. Proton is the chosen one. XPR is the chosen one. So a lot of now this sort of the community cult is back, guys. XPR is waking up, and I love it. Do your own research, and it's still early to jump on board this project. WebAuth, don't forget to stake XPR at 5.5%. Guys, 5.5% APY is huge. If we had invested at the time, it was in the bottom, and if you calculate the 5.5% APY, it is phenomenal. Even at this point, if you the passive income opportunity is great, guys, in my opinion. XPR still gas in the tank. LFG. You've seen my descent gradually, right? Now wait and see my rising suddenly. So yeah, what else do we have? XPR Network A chain. So check this out what XPR is doing, guys. How many sector it is trying to disrupt. And the XPR Network A chain now. Payments, DeFi, dApps, DAOs, payment messaging, banks, PSPs, fintechs, you name it, guys. It is only going to grow, and a lot of projects are going to be built on top of XPR network. And you guys know that it is ISO 20022 compliant as well. XPR all charged up and ready for the next run up. LFG. Awesome. Here comes the train. There goes the pain. Okay, to mislead those. Okay, what is this? Okay. So yeah, a lot. What I like about XPR Network, we've discussed it as well. That the connections with Simpsons and everything. Check this out, guys. Yeah, a lot. The community is great. XPR community is great. It is in line and giving competition to none other than the XRP community, guys. I might make a video on that as well, as to how both of them are similar in so many aspects. I mean, yeah, check this out. So they're connecting everything with Proton. This looks ready to explode. Awesome. We were blessed with a year to accumulate. If you didn't take advantage of it, don't worry, you are still early. Let's go. Obviously, if we look at the grander scheme of things, guys, the XPR is only $56 million market cap, and for what if it achieves what it aims to achieve, guys, then this is also, I think, the bottom at the moment because it is going to be going to billions if it achieves everything it wants. It might even go beyond that, and yeah, check this out. Say no to gas. MetalPay, Metallicus ecosystem, Metal blockchain, Proton loan. And yeah, one more thing, there have been people who were calling Metal as a scam as well, but I think Marshall has responded to that as according to a community member. So yeah, I might make a video on both sides of stuff, that what is the claim, that why are people calling this a scam, and how Marshall has responded. I might find material and talk about it in a future video. Anyways, guys, what else do we have here? What else do we have? Any good post? Barbie will soon absorb all liquidity from the market. Cool. In celebration of XPR's awesome run so far, I am gifting one loyal fam with 1000 XPR. Okay, what do we have more? When you doubted XPR and sold for some meme coin, and now the switch is about to be turned on. We chart. Okay, the chart is flying to the moon. So, do you think that the switch has indeed been flipped, and it's about time that we will fly higher and higher? Or would we be getting corrections and accumulations and all of that stuff again? Who is still up? I am, and our very own blockchain XPR network. That's who. I mean, Marshall is happy, man. Okay, let's go again. Higher XPR. We are Metallicus. I'm never selling. What the F is this? XPR boys. Okay, send token, MetalPay payouts, Korea, consulting service. What? I didn't get this. If anyone does, hit the comment box below. Check where they sent it. Okay, so yeah, the feeling I get when I see my beloved. Okay. XRP, XLM, XDC, XPR equals 90% of my crypto currently LFG. We discuss all of these coins, guys. The X coins. I mean, yeah, they can get their very own series in the future. The controversies and everything associated with them and all of that stuff. I mean, yeah, I can feel it. The XPR community is getting stronger. It indeed is, guys. On the move. Let's go. This is by no means to bash on SHIB, but if something like SHIB can get a 25 billion market cap when it literally does nothing, wait until the masses see what XPR and Red will do. Guys, what do you guys think? Will it reach 25 billion market cap at some point? Because obviously this is a solid case. This is a solid rationale, a solid logic that if something like SHIB can do it with community hype. I mean, yeah, but in my opinion, a huge community hype, guys. A huge community was behind it. That also goes a long way. Even XPR will need the community initially to build their base and foundation. The things that they're doing at the moment, the conspiracies, the build-ups, the memes, they're also part of that community building. But when that utility hits, guys, that utility hits, in my opinion, that utility alone can take most projects that we discussed to 25 billion market cap and beyond, in my opinion, because the utility hasn't been hit. To be very fair, guys, there hasn't been a project that has got that 100% utility hit and full throttle mode yet. So let's see what happens when that hits and when that hits. Let's see. We'll cover that. Obviously, finally broke 2 cents. Okay. XPR seems to be in demand in Korea. That is awesome. XPR wait is not real price now. Wait is not real price now. Okay. Okay, so this is not the real price now. It's going to go higher. So wait. Anyways, guys, I really like what they're doing, guys. Check this out, the partners plus integrations. No rumors and riddles here. Only true, live, and real partnerships. So check out the partnerships, guys. The partners plus integrations, banking research and GTM relationships over $60 billion plus dollars in AUM. Fiserv, Temenos, Vibrant, Clover, Jack Henry. I mean, this is awesome, guys. This is awesome. The names, the partners associated with XPR Network, Metallicus ecosystem. Check this out. How big is Pfizer? Company type, public revenue, US dollar 17.7 billion 2022, operating income, total assets dollar 83.9 billion 2022. So check this out, guys. How many banks use Jack Henry? Jack Henry Banking, a provider of integrated computer systems for banks ranging from de novo to institutions. Jack Henry Banking currently serves approximately 1,000 banks, guys. If XPR gets a hold of them in terms of payments and use cases, it's going to be awesome. Even tokenization, guys, XPR aims to do that as well. Headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland, and with 67 offices in 40 countries, Temenos serves over 3,000 financial institutions in 145 countries across the world, guys. So this is huge. Let me like this and let me bookmark this as well. So what do you guys think about XPR Network? Has the switch been flipped? I was now saying that has the flip been switched. So anyways, has the switch been flipped, guys? Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.